Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is the most exciting video I have done in I don't know how long. You guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. It is super exciting for so many reasons, but the first of which is because this one is a collaboration between me and one of the YouTubers that I started watching when I first started my channel. Or maybe not when I first started watching my channel, but when I discovered her, I loved her channel, and then I came to know her a little bit better as a person, and she's really super dope. You guys already know who I'm talking about. Hearts and Cupcakes. I Fancy Cupcakes on Instagram, and yeah, she's just super dope, and I feel super honored and so excited to be bringing you a collaboration with her. Not only just because it's a collaboration with her, which is exciting in and of itself, but also because I'm bringing you guys a wig that I have been waiting for, and I feel like you guys have been too for quite some time. It is the Sensational Cloud 9 lace wig, Latisha. Yes, I will put some clips in here or some pictures of Brittany in her wig. I'm not sure what color she got. I did get the color number 2. I think I wanted a number 4, but that wasn't an option. Yes, I did want a number 4, but this wig does not come in a number 4. So I decided to just go with a number 2. This wig looks like she is going to be a thick, full baby girl, which doesn't scare me. As you can see, I like full, natural, yaki-ish sort of wigs, and I know that's not everyone's taste and everyone's liking, but I actually do enjoy wigs like that. And for this one to be a frontal and to be a part of the What Lace collection, and for it to have that texture and have the options for parting and for styling, I think this is really dope, and it's kind of like the first of its kind. I could be wrong, but she's definitely giving me like Sierra vibes, but with a parting space. So lace color looks like she's pretty good. She's definitely not gray. She's definitely brown. Not exactly my skin tone, but that's okay. A little lace tint spray will do me just fine. The curls on this are definitely serving Sierra type of curls. I absolutely love these type of curls, but these are the type of curls you have to be careful with when you comb them out, because they get bigger and bigger with time. The first time you comb them out, they're going to be big, but trust me, after wearing this wig 3-4 times, they're going to get even bigger. So keep that in mind. She is a pretty coin, okay? I spent a coint, okay? Just for you guys, and just so I can get this collab out here with Miss Brittany. So yes, I love it. Let's go ahead and look at the cap construction. Of course, the same What Lace cap construction, you have a ton of parting space. You got your combs on the side, you got your comb in the back, and your elastic, not elastic band, your adjustable straps. So what I think I'm going to do is add my Ebon lace tint spray, and the color that I'm going to use today is medium brown. Take any time to dry. It comes out in an aerosol can, so it's literally already dry. So that's what we're working with right now. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and start styling her. So I also totally forgot to mention, if you are digging this wig that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on my channel. This one is Risk Taker by Sensational. So if you want to learn my thoughts about this one, definitely click back to my last video and it'll be there. Okay, so this wig is fitting snug, you guys. This wig is fitting snug, and I have a very much so average sized head. And I didn't even put the adjustable straps together. So if you have a larger size head, I don't know. She may not work out for you if you have a larger size head. The hairline to me is not bad, especially for her to be like a nice, full, thick unit. Like, the hairline actually looks fine to me. She's definitely very full. She is definitely full, okay? Straight off the bat, she's full. The curls are really, really beautiful. But they will have to be combed out because right now they're super like set in place, and I'm not a fan of that look. Let's take a look at the parting space. Beautiful. Parting space looks good to me. I love this action over here. Okay, so I'm gonna get sis together and gel everything down, slay everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I tied down, I sprayed it, gelled it, and tied down the one side. I think that this looks really, really pretty, even without baby hairs. Excuse me, even without baby hairs, which is a surprise because I always use baby hairs. I feel like baby hairs are just a part of me. They're just a defining factor in my life. So to go without them is saying something. So I'm gonna add a little bit of powder into this parting space just because I have to. It's like it's not right without the baby hairs, y'all. I have a problem. Okay, so that's all we're gonna do for that. I really like this, you guys. I'm liking what is happening here right now. So let me back this up. Should we do one more? I know, I'm going overboard. I'm sorry, y'all. Somebody stop me. Somebody take away the toothbrush. Okay, so let's go ahead and finger comb. Okay, we get in a little tangle action, but she's long, she's curly, and she's yucky, so all those things will, you know, lend itself to a little bit of tangle action here and there. We're not gonna persecute her for that. Okay, girl, hold on. We're not gonna do this. We on camera, we gotta act right, okay? Don't act crazy, sis, for $56. For $56, don't act crazy, okay? Let's get it together. Let's keep it cute for the people. Let's keep it cute for the people. Okay, I'm loving the layers, you guys, but these tangles, sister, she will definitely be cut within like 2 weeks. You're gonna have to just do a little snippy snip. You know, get you your first cute 2-3 wears out of her and then snip. But we already know with long wigs, you know, their length only lasts as long as it can last, and she gets shorter and shorter with time. Until she becomes a full-blown bob, and the bob is the last step before the trash. I feel like every wig's lifespan, like once she makes it to the bob stage, it's only a matter of time before she hits the trash. She is fire. Love this wig. Now, this is the type of hair that I love, like glamorous curls, bombshell long hair, okay? A wig like this, you will never hear me say too many bad words about it, because when I walk into a room with this type of hair, I just feel like I will dominate and all good things will be attracted unto me. I can manifest anything I want in hair like this, okay? I can manifest anything when I feel this good in sexy, take over the room hair like this. This is just me. Like, this is me all day. So I'm not sure how Brittany is gonna feel about this wig. But as for me and my house, we will serve in bombshell curls, okay? So yeah, this is fire. The color number 2 in this one, everything that I love. And yeah, I love this wig, if you can't tell. I knew that I would. And then I saw the video on Sensational's page and I was just like, is it for me though? Is it gonna be rough? Like, is it too much? But guys, I love, okay? So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna turn around so you can see this wig from all sides. Do I think that she is Dragoness approved? Abso-freaking-tootly-lootly, okay? I love it. And yeah, if I didn't answer some of you guys' questions, if you wanted to know more, definitely leave me a comment down below. I have been doing my best to respond to every single comment and show you guys my appreciation. I also want to start doing something new. I want to start shouting out people that have supported me in my business that I have on my website. So I am going to start a new thing that at the end of my videos, I am going to choose one person who purchased off my site and to literally call them up and give them a special shout out on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to randomly pick someone to say a special thank you to on camera. I feel really nervous to call, but I'm gonna call. So we'll see how this goes.
Please leave your message for...
Okay, she didn't pick up. Calling back. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Hello? Yes, hi, this is Jess. Jess the Dragoness. Is this Cassandra? How are you? So, you won't believe this, but I am doing a new segment on my YouTube channel where I'm shouting out one customer at the end of every video. And you're the customer I chose.
Oh,
So I wanted to shout you out because you have been such an amazing supporter of mine since literally day one, and words cannot express how much I appreciate you. And I just want to tell you that over the air, over the phone, and just really say how much I appreciate you. And and yes, I'm giving you a shout out. So if you want to say anything to the people on the YouTube channel, you're on speaker.
oh, hi! Oh my gosh! Well, I just want to say thank you. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's so beautiful and you are so welcome, sis.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so
I
much.
totally love you. I love your content. You're so beautiful. I just love you.
Yes. Thank you so much, Cassandra. And I have a package for you coming in the mail today. You should have already got your tracking.
I did. See, I'm a girl. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you so much.
Continue to support you, sis. I will always support you. You are beautiful.
Oh, and I appreciate you to no end. That's why you had to be the first shout out ever on my channel.
Thank you.
All right, girl. I'll talk with you.
Yes, have a blessed week, sis. Have a blessed week.
You as well.
Bye.
Bye. You guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, now I feel so encouraged. I'm literally going to keep doing this because I did not know how this was going to go. I was so nervous, but I was like, I really want to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. Like, I'm going to start crying. I'm going to start crying. I can't mess up my makeup. I I just want you guys to know how much I appreciate you guys till no end. I truly do. And when I say that, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. So thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you that watches this video, that supports my channel and supports me. It means the world to me. So I did not mean for this to go this direction, you guys. It means the world to me. So on that note, I'm going to end this video. Thank you to every single one of you guys. Thank you, Cassandra. Thank you to all of you who have supported and subscribed to my channel, who have ever watched a single video, who have ever left a comment. I see you. I appreciate you, and know that you are important to me in so many ways that you will never know. All right, you guys, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.